it'll go in this mode no matter what I do. I unplugged the lighter, plugged it back in. It's very cold outside, so I think that's the matter. That's the main problem. I unplugged the SD card, a 64 gigabyte. I kept it in my palm. I heat it up, put it back in. I think I need to take the camera inside, leave it for a while, put it back in, and I think it'll work. The first plug, it'll work. Now it's like 10 times plug it and unplug, nothing. I reset it from here, nothing. Used to do the trick, push the reset button and it would start recording, but no, not now. Stupid camera, I paid 75 euros for it. Good for nothing right now.